to take a printout of your reservations on booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to take a printout of your reservations on booking.com. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your browser, and once in the browser, you need to log in to booking.com. Once you are logged in, you can see this interface over here. From here, you need to go ahead and click on your profile picture. Once you have done that, you need to click on bookings. If you don't see any trip listed here, that means you have not made any bookings yet. But if you have, you will see your reservation right here. Now look for the three dots next to your booking. Click on that. You will find the option to print the confirmation page. Just click on it and confirm, and you're all set to print. And that's it for today. You now know how to print your reservation of booking.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.